Hey guys, I know it's been a long time since I made a Cub Cadet Challenger video, but it's time. Anyway, the Cub has been stored inside. The New York property had this little, maybe a one-car garage, and the Cub slept in there since, actually I haven't started it since December. So I was extending the horse pasture yesterday, and I wanted to use this machine, and I was kind of knowing that the battery was going to be dead because this is April, second week of April. So that's what, December, January, February, March, 4 months it's been hibernating. Long story short, I put the jump pack on it. It started right up, but it wouldn't idle. So after messing with it, I wound up putting a battery charger on it, battery tender, honestly, for 24 hours. Get the battery back up. I really thought the battery wasn't going to be any good. I mean, it's pushing 3 years old. Sat out here, we had some serious negative, sorry for the wind. We had some serious negative degree temperatures this winter. But yeah, after 24 hours of the battery tender on it, it started up, it's idling, took it for a little blast, it's running. But the purpose of this video is what I'm going to do, and here's something kind of depressing. I don't know if mice got to it or what, but this portion of the seat is boogered up. I'm gonna fix that with black RTV silicone sealant. I'm not gonna buy a new seat or a new seat cover. I mean, it's technically a utility work vehicle. So yeah, we're just gonna suck it up, repair it, and move along. But anyway, the purpose of this video is, you know, if you have one of these and you've had to access the battery, you have to pull the seat out and then remove this cover, and there's your battery. So you can't sit on the machine if you jump start it. You have to jump start to get it running, and then hope you're good to go, because if you pull the cables off to put the seat back on and your battery is still too dead to start it and the machine stalls, which it's prone to do because it's an EFI and it needs to learn what's going on, you know, as far as idle speeds and throttle position and so forth, that it can be a real nightmare. So what I'm going to do is, where the battery lies, I've already ordered the standoffs. I'm going to run 2 cables from the battery, and my intent is to put the standoffs right here. A negative and a positive, or vice versa. I'll see when I get the parts. So instead of having to pull this all apart to jump start it if you need to, or even use it to jump start something else, you'll be able to take the caps off here, hook your cables or your battery charger to this, and you'll be able to jump start or use this to jump start something else. So this is just a real quick video on what's upcoming with the Cub Challenger. And yeah, man, I'm so lazy. I haven't even gotten the pieces back on it. If you saw the other video when I had to grease up the U-joints and I took off all this stuff, yeah, I've got all the parts in the workshop, but I just didn't put them back on the machine. So, and speaking of lazy, I still have the Denali plow on it, which is coming off as soon as I finish this video. Obviously, it's, God, I hope I don't need it this time of year. But yeah, so just a quick update. Other than that, everything seems good. No check engine light, nothing weird. It's idling 1500 or so, which is what they recommend. Everything seems to be working, so I'm going to launch this plow and get it ready to do this this jump mod. So that'll be upcoming soon. If you're interested at all, just keep an eye on my channel, and the video will be here hopefully in the next couple of days. All right, guys. It is what is today? It's Thursday. I know that. April 14th, 2022. So y'all have a great day, and we'll talk soon. Take care.